All right, we're here at 4621 4th Ave. And I just want to show you guys what's going on. It actually is better than I thought it was going to be. I don't see anything over here at all towards the shed here where the fence. Didn't see anything. And I'm sure they're just trying to make sure that there wasn't anything. It was actually more back this way. You'll start to see them now. There's some. We're lucky it didn't do anything to this fence. But as you start to come back here, this is where you start to notice more of it. See? And I've asked Daryl to get all this cleaned up. Nothing over there at all. The camera is still up there, so I'm not quite sure what that's about. But if you'll see there's like little pieces on there. Like there's a little piece. It's weird. And then this little one, I don't know if you'll be able to see it because of that sun. See if I can get on this side. I see all these. And then nothing in there. Yeah, nothing on that part. But it got this little piece and that little piece there. I'm surprised I didn't get these. They're like dried out. But, and there's some little section up there. And then there's a little section right there. But, and then I noticed, I don't see anything over here. Actually, we need to clean this up back here too. There's the camera. Surprised it didn't get the AC unit. But I don't see. Oh God. And I can't see on the roof, so I can't tell you about that. But I don't see anything near the house over here. But, all right, well, I'm gonna get this cleaned out with Daryl for this week. I think he comes on Monday or Tuesday, so we get that done.